Process Welding Systems is a full-service manufacturer and integrator of plasma and TIG welding systems. The PWL-12-16 precision welding lathe was specifically designed for welding a wide range of circumferential parts. This lathe is used in a production environment or laboratory settings that require a versatile welding tool. This lathe is designed for plasma or TIG welding. The DT100 arc welding control gives the operator complete control over the welding process. The standard unit comes with 3 analog output channels for controlling the welding current, lathe speed, and AVC or wire feed. Other standard features include program storage, document printing, and digital control outputs. Lathe speed is controlled by the SCS-102 solid-state speed control. Speed is continuously variable from 0 to 25 RPM. Custom speeds are available. In order to save space, the units can be stacked. The torch stand provides easy adjustment of torch position. A rotary block allows for versatile approaches to the weld. A quick release and lock mechanism allows the operator to rotate or move the torch forward and backward. This handle is used for adjusting the torch up and down. A rotating theta block is used to change the torch angle. An air slide with 4-inch stroke moves the torch stand in and out for easy loading and unloading of parts. A cushioned stop on the torch stand air slide contributes to repeatable positioning. A quick release allows coarse positioning of the tailstock. The tailstock has an air cylinder for easy part capture. The tailstock comes equipped with alignment screws to ensure part concentricity, and also features air pressure and flow speed control adjustments. The torch stand is moved along the lathe bed manually by turning this crank. The standard lathe can be equipped with an optional 5C air collet closure. The PWL-12-16 can be fitted with a variety of standard and custom tooling, and can be interfaced with most industry standard power supplies, making it a versatile welding tool for production or laboratory use.